Hey guys, welcome to my channel, me and Nikhols World. Today we are going to be doing who can make the best slime. Today I have a special guest here, Janine.
Hi.
And today I have a special guest, Corey.
What's up? One thing she failed to mention is the three of us have never made slime before, so this is going to be very interesting to see if we actually can do it. I read some recipes online. So obviously I'm an expert because I saw it online, but
I don't
we'll see how this works. You don't think so?
No.
That's not how it works.
But I saw a YouTube video.
But you have to make slime first.
But I saw a YouTube video. Somebody made it, so I'm an expert.
But that doesn't mean that you've made the best slime.
You tell him, girl.
What?
Girl power.
Been living my life off of YouTube videos on how to do things, and now you're telling me that's not how it's done?
Actually, you haven't, because you watch Cars. You're the Cars kind of guy. I'm the slime kind of girl.
Okay, so you're the slime expert.
Okay,
Yeah.
you teach us.
Okay, so we gathered some ingredients.
First, we're going to use the glue.
Okay, and then we also picked up hopefully some glow-in-the-dark glue, which we're going to add to this. So it'll be interesting to see if that actually works.
I got pink and my dad got blue.
So we got they only had two different colors, so we picked up both.
Yeah.
Another thing you're gonna need.
Baking soda.
Yep.
Yeah.
Contact solution.
Now this is gonna be the activator. Now not all of these recipes call for this solution here. Some of it is borax, which is a type of a soap. But this particular recipe that I found called for this, so that's what we're going to use, the regular contact solution. It's important for your mommy and daddies to know if they're going to help you do this, that you look for a specific type of contact solution because it has to have a chemical in it. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I don't see it on here real quick. But it does have it. It was on the box.
Contains borax solution and sodium borate.
That's it. So if it doesn't have that, it's not going to work for this. We also got
glitter.
Uh-huh.
And we have measuring cups.
And spoons.
And spoons. And we have some gel because we couldn't find food coloring at the store. So we're just going to use this.
It's still food coloring.
Should do the same thing.
But this is a gel-based food coloring. It's probably best if you can find one that's like a water-based. But we're going to try this out. If it fails, it fails. You'll know not to use it. So, but that's what we found, so we're going to try that out. Now, we also picked up some bowls.
Some bowls, some spoons, and some gloves.
Yep, because we don't know how it's going to come out. I've seen some of these are sticky, probably because they didn't add the proper amounts. So just in case we don't want to get it all over us, I am going to take my ring off for this.
Actually, because he's not a slime expert, he doesn't know. They put too much activator.
Oh, too much. Not enough. The expert.
So.
Should we get started?
Okay.
Let's get started.
So first things
first, we're going to put on our gloves.
Okay.
I'm not an expert at this.
Okay, I'm ready!
Daddy funny. Daddy so
You got it?
funny. Yeah.
No, these are probably going to be a little big for you. I couldn't find the children's size.
Look at your hand.
Too big for me. I think those are too
I feel like I'm going in for a surgery.
Yeah. Cut me open.
First things first, we're gonna put in the glue.
Okay.
All right.
So let's move some of this stuff out of the way.
So it says we need 6 ounces of glue.
So 6 ounces to a cup, that's going to put it about 3/4. So let's grab the 3/4 because there's 8 ounces in a cup. We know that. Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna take the jar,
Okay.
pour it.
Oh boy.
How much are you going to put in? When are you going to put some of your glow-in-the-dark in?
You want to put some of the glow-in-the-dark one right now so you know how much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
I'll got this for you.
we didn't fill it all the way. There is still some room. We're about
Because
3/4 of a 3/4 cup.
Because we are going to put some glow in the dark glue in.
Ew.
But that looks like slime already.
It does. Now I see why they're making slime out of this stuff. Okay. I think that is it coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. There we go. All right. We got it.
So we got all the glitter glue in.
Now this is the glow in the dark glitter glue.
Yeah.
And we got it right. Okay. Used most of that.
Nice.
It's because the glitter glue is pretty hard to get out. So now we're gonna pour the glue into the bowl.
And then it'll be Janine's turn.
Yeah, and then it'll be Janine's turn.
Let me scrape that for you.
Yeah, sure.
You know what would have worked?
What?
Rather than wooden spoons?
What?
Silicone.
Like the little spatulas.
Yeah. Let's take note of that.
Yeah.
So if
But, I mean, it still worked. Got most of it out.
yeah, so if you want to, you can
Janine's
get
turn.
Thank you.
spatulas instead of wooden spoons. That's all we could find at the store, so we just got wooden
I'm
spoons.
gonna stand because it's kind of hard. Let's see. What can you hold my cup while I do
Sure.
that part? Thank
Of
you.
course.
There we go.
Oh, that's way more.
Whoa.
Let me scrape it out.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. I can get the rest if you want.
Well, she got it pretty good.
Good? Okay. Perfect. Oh.
My turn.
Daddy's turn. Let me pass it over.
Thank you.
Are you adding your glow in the dark in there too?
You can use it if you want.
I already added too much, I think.
Yeah, you probably did.
Daddy,
Okay, I'm
I'll
going to fill it halfway first.
Okay. And
Here,
then,
where's the top? Let's try it with the top on, see if we can get it out easier.
okay.
Here you go.
Just curious to see how it's going to come out with the top on it.
No, that's gonna take slow.
Is
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
she's right.
See, it's just gonna go out like that.
it?
So just squeeze it really.
Yeah, you're right, Mia.
Yeah.
So
Can
we're
you take the top
gonna
off?
just take the top off.
I hate it when she's right.
Cause he's not the slime expert.
I saw a video.
I know, doesn't mean if you saw one video about it.
How many
Doesn't
slime
Whoa, whoa.
videos have you watched, Mia?
Doesn't mean you're an expert. I've watched about 100.
That's why she's the slime expert.
So she's kind of got like a master's degree in this, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
Or, no, that's a 4-year degree, right?
A bachelor's.
No, yeah, master's. Master's. Okay.
Well, you're
So-
coming over kind of far.
That's good. That's good. Tip it up. And I'm going to finish it off by filling the rest up.
No. I'm
Bloop,
good.
bloop, 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 bloop.
And then I'll put on the top to yours too.
Alright, there's 3/4 of a cup. Boop. Okay.
Alright.
Get that in there.
Now me and Daddy are probably gonna want to mix it.
Oh,
Oh, because we got,
Yes, we got the glitter glue.
so you just, what, stir it, right?
Well, the glow in the dark glitter glue. So we're gonna want to stir it because it's gonna be a color.
So we want to get it mixed in really good, huh?
Yeah.
Now,
oh, yours looks good.
I'll show you. Can't really see it in mine because it's almost the same color as the bowl. But if you look at Mia's,
You can
There it
really
is.
see mine because mine is like bright and it shines kind of good.
I feel like I'm mixing up some brownie mix.
Some brownie mix.
But it smells way differently than...
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Okay, I got mine mixed. What's the next step, Mia?
Next step
Is it
is
this?
baking soda.
Yes.
Okay, and how much of this do we add, Janine?
Half a teaspoon.
All right, let me find the half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Put it on the right side. Okay, so open this up.
Yours looks cool.
Does it look kind of marbly?
Kind
Yeah.
of chunky. Well, I think that's how baking soda is anyways.
Yeah.
Mix it up a little, trying to break it up.
My old school, I made slime, but I didn't use all the ingredients. Well, I used all the ingredients, but I didn't make all the ingredients by myself. I made it out of school, so my friends did some, I did some. So I've made slime before, so I'm definitely should be an expert. But next thing is we're gonna mix it.
Should we mix it before we add the last thing or after?
Yeah, we should mix it.
So we're mixing the baking soda in.
Okay.
Yeah.
How should
Okay.
it look like after we mix it? Should we still
It
see
should-
clumps or should it be smooth?
It should look like there's no baking soda in.
Okay.
Clumps in mine.
Yeah, me too.
Mine is good.
All right.
Okay. Mine's good. So the saline solution, the contact solution.
1.5 tablespoons of contact solution.
Okay, so I got 1 tablespoon and a half a tablespoon. So here's, and then we mix it really quick.
When do we add the glitter?
At the very end.
Okay.
Probably
just
when you're
curious.
mixing it.
Do we add the glitter when we're mixing it?
No. We're
Okay.
gonna mix the activator first so we can make sure that we don't get carried away pouring the glitter in and
1.5 tablespoons, right?
Yes.
yeah.
1 tablespoon.
Okay, mix it quick, quick.
Hold on, I gotta add the other half.
Oh
Hurry.
no! So it has to be very quick. What
Okay.
happens if I
Here.
don't mix it quickly,
Go.
Mia?
It will not be good time.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Make
Oh.
sure to do it over the bowl.
Oh, it's.
It's forming.
I think this is where the. Oh, look at that. Oh, good lord.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, Daddy's shaking the table.
This is kind of hard to squeeze.
Want some help?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay, I'll hold it and you can squeeze.
Okay.
I think I made slime.
You
Okay.
made fine, Daddy.
You're good for the first one. Next one.
Here.
Next one. Yay.
Oh, look at that. And then,
Okay, go ahead. I'll take that. I should probably put my gloves on now. I know you guys have had yours on, but...
Yeah, we've had ours on. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow, that
I made
moves...
slime.
I got slime too. Look
Okay.
at that.
Me and Daddy made slime. Let's see if Janine makes slime. It probably is
I
because we
finally
made
have
slime.
to... I gotta get this glove. The glove won't
You're
come.
probably gonna want to put your glitter in there first. Oh,
Yeah.
I got slime.
Oh, Daddy has good slime.
Okay.
I don't even know. Soon when it feels like it doesn't stick to your gloves, you can take your gloves off.
Yeah, it's not sticking to my gloves anymore.
Okay, you can take your gloves off if you want to.
Jeannie, you want food coloring?
Yeah.
I'll use
What color
some-
you want?
What colors do we have?
They're neon.
They're
Pick
neon
one.
like. There's neon.
Orange.
Orange?
Yeah, I definitely need some because I have no color glue.
Oh, I can't get it off.
Oh, I think I put too much. Oh,
No,
it's-
keep going.
Yeah, you just have to keep doing it.
Okay. Oh wow, can we add another color too?
Like
Oh, that's
green
really
or,
orange.
Yeah.
or purple?
Purple, that's
green.
really cool.
Green? Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
it's sticking to the bowl.
It just keeps scraping.
Okay. It looks so weird.
Oh, this is sticking to my gloves.
Oh, whoa, look, it's a whole piece by itself here.
Yeah, just reach in there and grab it now.
Okay.
How did I get green? I got green on my Where did the green come from?
I think your slime looked better than mine.
Yours.
Just keep, it takes a little bit.
Your slime looks like brains.
Look at that.
Kind of. Orange
Okay,
rings.
so I think the glow-in-the-dark glitter glue definitely helps with the color better than the oh, it's sticking. Oh wow.
This reminds me of flubber.
Oh, it's not sticking. It's not sticking.
Oh, snap.
Okay. It's already kind of fluffy.
Oh, it popped.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
where's the top for this? Let's put that back on there because we definitely want to make more slime.
Oh, yeah. Of course.
Oh yeah.
This was a success.
Success.
Not a fail at all. Well,
Woo.
let's not call that yet because this is supposed to glow in the dark.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to try that before we end this video.
Oh,
We'll go into
yeah.
a dark room and we'll
Yeah.
see what happens.
Oh, it did glow!
Look at that! It glows! That is awesome!
Oh, mine looks orange in the dark. Oh, that is so cool, Dad.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look at how awesome that is.
Yours looks like a brain, Mia. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, wow. Okay, so I have a question. What do we do to store it? Is it okay to just leave it out? Will it stay?
No. It will go, like, it'll feel like rocks the next day. We
Okay.
don't want our slime to go bad.
So what do we do?
So yeah, how do we store it?
So we might want to put it in a bag or something.
Okay.
Like a Ziploc plastic bag that you
Yeah.
put like sandwiches or something in?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Good question then.
Never leave your slime out because then it'll turn into a rock.
Okay.
Oh, it feels so cool.
Yeah.
Weird.
Oh, I think mine just farted.
Oh. Let me feel yours and you can see mine.
Oh, yours is way softer than mine.
Yeah, yours is harder.
Oh, it is.
Why is yours so
Let me see
hard?
yours. Probably because we had
Let
to.
me see Mia's.
Oh, mine is harder than your
Yeah,
guys.
Yeah, why is yours so
Why is
hard?
it so hard?
I don't know.
Let me see
'Cause
Daddy's.
feel Daddy's.
Oh, Daddy's feels soft.
Yeah, mine kind of feels like yours.
Yeah, why does yours feel
I
weird?
mean, yours isn't bad, don't get me wrong, but
Maybe I didn't put as much glue as you guys, so it's not as
Maybe.
fluffy as you guys.
did you top it off after you put your glow-in-the-dark glue in the
I don't
measuring
know.
cup?
I don't think so.
What do you mean top that off?
Like when we had some in here, you put that in there, and then you put the glow-in-the-dark one in?
Yeah.
Did we put more of this in there just to top it off? I don't think we did.
I don't think
No,
so.
we didn't.
I don't know. The video will tell.
Yeah.
Yeah. The video will tell when it's posted.
Okay.
Post it down in the comments below.
Did
we
she
did it
do
right.
it?
Woo.
Who else is an expert?
I am
Daddy and Janine.
now.
Flatten. It's almost like a pizza dough.
Oh, yours is long.
Yours was longer than
I
mine.
feel like I'm back in the pizzeria.
Pizzeria.
Yeah, I'm about to make some pizza
Pizza.
dough.
Big
Oh,
dough.
wow. Look how long it is, Mia.
Oh! Oh! Pizza. I think Janine's the
So it's good
softest.
when you can stretch it and it doesn't just snap, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it snapped at first, but then as you keep molding and
Yeah.
playing with it.
At first. Oh,
Chrissy, look.
Daddy, what did you make?
I just broke it.
I twisted it.
Wow, look how clean it breaks off. That's so weird. Oh my goodness. Oh, cool.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
It's like I'm making a pasta
Pasta. Boom, boom,
at
basta.
the Italiano Restaurante.
Now we're just talking French.
It was not French, it was my horrible Italian accent. You would think living in New York for 30 years, I'd have it down, but I don't.
No.
You've lived in New York for 30 years.
Yep. Before I moved to Texas, that's where I used to live.
I know that.
You know
But
that?
you lived there for 30 years.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Comment down below if this looks like cotton candy. Say, it looks like cotton candy. If you don't think it looks like cotton candy, comment down below. It doesn't look like cotton candy.
I think it does look like cotton candy though.
I think so too.
Yeah.
And don't forget
Me
to
too.
follow me and Nicole's World over on Instagram. She posts over there quite frequently, and you know, if you're following her, chances are she's probably going to follow you back.
Yeah.
What else you got to say?
Thank you for watching this video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.